Dessert is made with just 2 ingredients and is ready in just 5 minutes. For this recipe, we will be adding 400 grams of sour cream. And this cream I left for 30 minutes in the freezer. I will now also add 25 grams of pineapple flavored juice powder and be hitting very well this mixture until it is very creamy. And guys, this recipe is wonderful and it's a super delicious dessert. It's very easy to make and uses very few ingredients. You're watching and you're already commenting to me. What city are you watching us from? I'm going to send a super special hug to each one of you who is commenting. I will now be adding it here in 200 ml cups, but you can add it to any container you prefer, right? I'll add here only halfway. It's not to fill the glass, right? Like this. Now I'm going to do the other part of the recipe, 400 grams sour cream, which I also left for 30 minutes in the freezer. Put 25 grams of strawberry flavored juice powder and beating very well until homogenized. And today, I'm going to send a big hug to Ava from Los Angeles. Thank you so much for always following us. I thank you immensely. I'm going to be adding our strawberry cream on top of the pineapple cream like this, until filling the cup super easy and very practical to make this dessert. Rest assured that you who make it will super love it. Now I'll be taking it to the fridge for 30 minutes, but it's optional, right? I'll just take it to make it a little more creamy. And our dessert was ready, and it was super delicious. It's delicious, I'm sure everyone will love it. So if you liked it, share it, and until next time. Goodbye.